Hello, today we are talking about the controlled breeding experiments in case of cattle. We know that in order to improve the breed of the cattle, we will perform artificial insemination. In artificial insemination, the semen of superior bull, they will be collected, they will be preserved, and then they will be transported to different locations, and then these semen can be utilized to fertilize the females. But in artificial insemination, the advantage is that the superior amount quality of semen that can be available for the fertilization, but disadvantage is success rate artificial insemination that will be very less. So now this is the disadvantage of artificial insemination in terms of success rate. So in order to have a better success rate and to improve our progeny and breed also, we will do the MOET, that is multiple ovulation embryo transfer technology. MOET stands white, or MOET stands for multiple O for ovulation, E for embryo, T for transfer technology. कैसे करते हैं हम इसको? There are different steps in the MOET. First step क्या होगा? We will select the superior female. Superior female जो होंगी इस कैटल में, उसको हम select करेंगे, and that superior female, उसको हम नाम देंगे genetic mother का. That superior female will be the genetic mother. This is the first step. Why selection of superior female? Because this superior female is having the capacity to produce a superior quality of ova, and that will have better qualities, maybe in terms of you can say the milk production, maybe in terms of disease resistivity, etc. etc. So पहला step हमारा होगा MOET में हम superior female को select करेंगे. कैटल का जो superior female होगा that will be selected in terms of different traits. Second, we will inject the follicle stimulating hormone like chemical FSH, follicle stimulating hormone like chemical FSH जो है हम इंड्यूस करेंगे इस जेनेटिक मदर के अंदर. हमें पता है FSH का फंक्शन होता है, it will help in the follicle stimulation. So by the influence of FSH, there will be formation of 6 to 8 eggs per cycle inside this genetic by the ovaries of this genetic mother. If we are not injecting FSH like chemical, then this superior female will produce only one cycle per cycle. But जब हमने FSH like chemical induce किया है superior female के अंदर, तो हमें super ovulation obtain होगा. 6 to 8 superior quality of eggs जो है that will be produced by the ovaries of superior female. So why we are using FSH? In order to produce, in order to enhance, in order to produce more number of eggs, that is in order to have super ovulation inside the superior female, or in order to have multiple ovulation in the genetic mother. This is the third step. Fourth step will be now these eggs, 6 to 8 eggs, they obviously we need to fertilize them. So we will use artificial insemination to fertilize them, or through natural population also these eggs can be fertilized inside the genetic mother. Now all these eggs cannot develop inside the genetic mother, and we need to use the genetic mother for another round of cycle. तो हम क्या करेंगे? इस genetic mother से infertilized eggs को नॉन सर्जिकली निकालेंगे, क्योंकि जब ये eggs fertilize होंगे तो डिवाइड करना शुरू करेंगे, जो एम्ब्रियो डिवाइड करेगा, और इसको हम 8 to 32 सेल स्टेज के ऊपर नॉन सर्जिकली these eggs, all the eggs has to be taken out from the genetic mother or from the superior female. And then these eggs or embryos, 8 to 32 cell stage fertilized eggs or embryos, हम इनको ट्रांसफर करेंगे into the different surrogate mothers. Means if you are taking out 8 fertilized eggs, then they will be transferred into the 8 surrogate mothers. Likewise 6 eggs ले रहे हैं हम, तो 6 eggs को हम surrogate mother में ट्रांसफर करेंगे. Right, then the genetic mother, that is the superior female, will be again available for the next round of the FSH administration. के लिए हम इसको दोबारा से हम यूटिलाइज करेंगे, and the surrogate mother slowly they will these fertilized eggs, जो आपके eggs हैं, they will develop into the embryos and fetus में develop होकर के वो हमारी जो है progeny जो है, next progeny जो है वो आ जाएगी, और उस progeny के अंदर जो है हमारे पास superior characteristics होंगे. Right? So this technology MOET can be utilized in different animal like cattle, camel, rabbit, goat, sheep, cow, buffalo, etc. etc. And as we said that we can produce high milk yielding varieties by this method, and we can produce a superior bull by doing the MOET. And advantage, we said that biggest advantage is that success rate is very high, and we are capable to improve our breed. So MOET is very important for the cattle breed इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर CBSE एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑल्सो। थैंक यू।